we go. Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rovers. Today we're going to be unboxing the Google Swags package. So we have got it from Google. So let's get right into it. And here we go. First, let's get the package. Congratulations, please find below surprises inside your Google bag. Google bag with its cover, Google cap with its cover. Okay, stay safe. So let's get it out. And keep this aside. Here you go, Google. And let's open it up.
Hey guys, only 2% of the viewers have subscribed to us. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to us. Anyways, it's free and you can unsubscribe anytime. Thank you guys. Enjoy the video.
Here we go. Here we go. We got the bag. Okay. It's a medium quality bag, not like so high as much as I expected. Okay, but still, Google. Yeah. So the bag, we'll keep it here. And they said we also have a cap. So, okay, so yeah, with the bag, cap with the bag, and go. Google. Keep this aside and yeah. So it's just a normal space here. And here like the pen slots and all, and space. Guess this should be the laptop space and all. And yeah, there's a laptop spot here. Yeah, so that's it guys. Bag and a cap and the covers for it. So guys, that's it for this Google Swags package. Thanks for watching till the end. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos, and see you in the next video.